Hello, this is a Robin's Nest by Terry. This is Out with the Old, In with the New. We're cleaning the backdrop of our cabinets. The hosts are Buckeye Girls Reasons Things, The Grace Life DIY, At Home with Lisa, Amethyst Adventure, Organizing with Darcy, The Work From Home Wife of Atlanta, J Mom Creates, Deborah Cabasas Home Living, and I'm merely Melissa.
Hey everybody, I'm Terry Burton over at the Robin's Nest by Terry. So I'm in this collaboration of organization, okay? It's 2023, so it's time to get rid of the clutter. It's been very hard because if you're a creative, you know how much stuff you accumulate. So I've already done a little bit of my studio, but one of my hot spots, so this is what I call a hot spot, is my backdrop. When I go live, either on YouTube or Facebook, I want this to look pretty. And here lately, it's just been where I place my clutter because my table is already a cluttered mess. You're going to see that video next. So what I have here is a sheet that I bought, a backdrop actually from Amazon that looks like brick. When I'm in the Facebook mode, you only see about 2 feet on each side of me. So it makes it look really nice because in my studio, you can see we have the insulation, we don't have the wall boards up yet. So kind of hides a lot of things. But I need to clean this off. It was mainly decorated with, all my Christmas products that I had painted. Now it's a mess. So I had went to Dollar General, got some baskets, and we're just going to start cleaning it off. I want to put light things together because these are going to get packed away till next season. So the unfinished sleds, the snowman that my mom made me. Here's another snowman. Snowman salt shaker. Here's a little vignette that is Christmas. I think I want to keep this tree out because my new display is, I still want a winter theme. I don't want any signs of Christmas really, but I want to get rid of anything totally Christmas. Like Mr. Santa Claus, he lost a leg. He needs to go to the trash. So he needs to go. Just gonna set my basket down here, grab another one. These are things I recently purchased that I need to paint. So those aren't going anywhere. I got a couple of gnomes. Popcorn machine. I want to repaint this gingerbread up here. So she's going to go in a different pile. So you can see now that I've got my piles in my baskets, I can put them on my table, get out my bigger tubs with the lids and put them where they need to go. Let's go. This is Christmas. The sled needs to be put away. We have, I'm going to keep the teapot with the gnomes out. I got a cookie tin with a snowman. I did just paint this little bubblegum machine, and isn't it cute? So I painted it for Valentine's Day. It's going to stay. I also love reindeer, so it's going to stay as well. Here's another bubblegum machine I just painted with a snowman. I'm leaving it out for Valentine's Day as well. Then get rid of my Gooseberry Patch cookbooks that I was going to paint gingerbread on, didn't get to it. I haven't decided on this. I may paint it pink, like that small town something I could put on it. We don't need the gnome cookie jar. We don't need the Christmas arrangement. We do need my salted caramels I bought today, but I will find a cute little container to put them in. All right, so this is what I have left. Pieces that I want to leave out. I just bought these today at Joann Fabrics. I got some woodland animals. I love them. They'll go with my winter decor. So we're going to leave that out as well while I fix this. So I'm going to show you what my back display is. You tilt you down. Okay, so right here you see two pink totes with the drawers in them. These need to be organized too because I've just been throwing stuff in there. There's paintbrushes, my carbon paper, tin foil, paper towels, you name it, it's in there. Those have to be done as well. Okay, so right down here I have a couple of tubs, well, they're tote organizers with the 3 plastic drawers in them. They need to be organized as well, but they fit nicely under this sofa table that I got at the thrift store. Then I have 4 of these crates. I stained them. They came from Menards. And I put 2 on the table. My husband had these shelves on a prior display, so I put 1 here so that I could put 2 more crates up there and then 1 for the top. So all you need is like some 1x8s to do the same thing. So let me put you up there. That way you have the top, the middle, the bottom, and the 2 sides. It works out perfectly for what you need. So I don't have a lot of my Valentine's stuff out yet, but I have the deer that I painted. That's going to go good with my winter wonderland and of course Valentine's Day. My woodland animals I'm going to put here and there. I'm going to set my gingerbread things a little here. There's another deer. These are items that I bought at Target that I want to repaint for Valentine's Day. So I want my audience to see what's coming up. Those are going to be repainted, faux sprinkles, all that, because people love to see what you have in the background. And then even though I didn't make these, they look cute just sitting there. And I'm going to continue with my theme of the reindeer. I got these at Marshall's today, in fact. So these are just kind of fillers. As I'm making new product for Valentine's Day, they're going to replace just my generic things that I did not make. But we have to fill it up with something because people love to see what's in your background. Put one over here. I got a red deer will go here. So it's only temporary, and then as things, then I sell stuff, and so what sells, of course, comes off. I've got this gourd as a gingerbread, perfect for Valentine's Day. I've got some boughten gnomes. They're going to decorate up here. Got another one. So I'm just filling in wherever I want. So the gnomes will come down too as soon as I've made other things that sell. But I need this, to look pretty behind us. So I've got another deer here. This little bear that I just made for Valentine's Day. He can go up there. Then people see them and they're like, oh, where'd you buy that? Or did you make that? I want to buy it. Always something. So then I can come back with some of my gingerbread items left over from Christmas. Just fill it up with whatever will look nice. And that is about it. So you can see it already looks better as long as I keep all the extra stuff from accumulating on there. And then when I sit down, of course I gotta clean off my chair now. So when I sit down to go live, and while I'm moving around, people have their eye on my background. It's a great way to sell product and it'll look nice. Of course, here on YouTube, I am wider than I would be on Facebook. So on Facebook, you wouldn't see all the extra on the sides, but For YouTube, I can just push you back in or push you in a little closer and you wouldn't see my backdrop. Actually, I need one more of those curtains, then it'd be perfect. So I hope that helps as far as organizing your backdrop when you go live. The next thing I'm going to organize is my paint table. You got to watch that one because it's pretty bad. All right. Thanks, everyone.